Hi, we're back with more 5-1 tips. Today we're going to talk about a very simple DIY project which will help you improve your classes. As you know, sound quality is highly important. Your voice should be audible and there should be no outside noises as much as possible. So here's what you can do. You can cover the room you're teaching in with egg crates. That's easy, right? They say that the shape of egg crates is perfect for absorbing audio waves. This is very doable and cost-effective too. Now that your teaching environment has been soundproofed, let's go to our second tip. This is about a commonly overlooked detail: your photo and video recording. Provide a professional-looking photo of yourself. Take into consideration good lighting, proper posture, and appropriate attire. First impressions last, so be sure to make a good one. In line with a photo, be sure your audio recording is worth listening to. Our third tip is to record an audio clip in your soundproofed room.
Thank you for watching and for liking. We promise to give you more. Stay connected and updated. Follow us on Twitter, Tumblr, and Instagram. And don't forget to like us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. 5-1 Talk supports Beat de la Music. Yeah!